So now we'll see how to add textures to the cabinets, the sink unit, the stove, the hood, so that we'll get a good rendering. So initially we'll focus on how to add textures for the cabinet. So to do that, we can select individually all cabinets and we can change the texture. So instead of doing that, we can create a standard preference for the texture. So select the cabinet. So before doing that, we should ensure that in setting, in preference, and in database, we should enable this option, that is set material choosing the texture image. So now we'll go to cabinet edit. In that panel, management, materials. So we'll see the user interface like this. We'll select this icon. So you can individually change texture for each individual panel, or in this case I'll go with white panel. So I'll go to RAL. So we have multiple textures here. For simple one, we can go with RAL, and I'll select a simple white color, click OK, and set all, and finally click OK. So you can see we got the white panel here. So we can also change the door model here. So I'll show a different method to change the door model. So after applying the material preference, we can create new rule here, that is new preference from the current cabinet. In this case, I'll name it as testing and click OK. Now created a rule for texture. Now we'll select the remaining cabinets. Now we'll apply the same preference for the remaining cabinets. In this case, our rule name is testing. So we don't want the cabinet structure to be changed, so we'll disable this option and click OK. So after a few time, we can notice the entire side panels and the remaining except door and the drawer feature, all other panels color changed. Now to change the door model to the required one, what we can do is you can select the entire cabinets. Ensure that you selected all cabinets. Okay, I selected all cabinets. Now we have option called as fronts. In that, you can select any door model we want. So in this case, I'll go with Beijing external door substitute. So for all drawer fascia, doors, all will get substituted by are required doors and drawer fronts. So in this case, we have gone with the white and blue color combination. So now we added the colors. Now to add textures, what we should do is we can double click, can go to SLG ray tracing. In that, initially if it is enabled, disable this one, select this icon. So here we have multiple options. So in this case, what kind of finish we want. So in this case, I will go with matte metal finish. So let's select this one and click OK. Apply. Okay. The same way we can do it for all cabinets. So when you are doing a rendering, you will get a matte metal finish. So I'll do this for all remaining cabinets. Go to SLG ray tracing. Go with required finish. In this case, you can go with different finish. In my case, I'll go with matte metal finish. Okay. Apply. Okay. So I'll skip some part of this video while applying these textures for the remaining cabinets.